Hi all, want to show you something. These are LEDs from a very big lamp. This is 1.2 meter or 120 centimeter LED lamp that stopped working, and yeah, I'm not going to fix it, but I want to show you something else. So all the LEDs, you can see there are two rows of LEDs. Many LEDs are connected, and they are all connected in serial. I think that they are all connected in serial, almost sure. This is the input, 220 volt. There is a resistor here, and this is like a surge protect. And I see here this is probably bridge rectifier diode, and you have some chips. You have all over just 1, 2, 3 chips. I don't know what they do actually, and I don't care. You can say. So what I want to show you is this. Okay, so what we can see here is a lot of LEDs. What I want to show you is that actually you can use it for other project if you wish, but before this you need to find which LEDs are working, and we will do a short test here, experiment. So first time I'm doing it, so yeah, I've never done this before. What I'm doing, I'm connected it to probes. The probes have of course a wire that I can connect to the LEDs, and now I will put it, for example, 15 volt. But the most important thing is to limit the current, so I will limit it to 100 milliamp. Yeah, I think it will be okay. So my voltage is now set, and what I can do is just start play with this and see when I have light, and if I don't have, so the polarity is of course incorrect, or the LEDs are incorrect, or actually not working. Do you see? No light at all. Interesting stuff. So what I will do is I will change polarity again. I'm sure that it should start to light. Maybe my contacts are not good. No, I don't think so. Let's move to the other side. I'm trying few LEDs because I don't know which is connected to. Yeah, you see? So my theory is not correct now. I'm sure that my theory is correct. We'll move to another area in this big strip till it will start to lit. Yeah, I'm connected. Okay, yeah. I think my power supply is okay and everything is okay. So why it is not working? Interesting. I hope that I'm not destroying the LEDs. Maybe I will change the current to 50 milliamps. Of course, you need, if you don't have a smart power supply, you can also do it with resistor to limit the current. What do you say? Nothing works. No, there is no way nothing works. I don't believe it. We will find sooner or later something that will lit up. The only way that it is not working, maybe it is not touching well. So I will try maybe to cut it, because the wire is very thick. If the wire is thick, maybe it is not really catching the contacts on the LEDs, and if it is not catching the contact, of course it will never light. So again, I don't believe that nothing works. Ah, do you see? Okay, so we have it. And it is working. And what is interesting to see, you see, I'm lighting here a few LEDs, and you can see that not all of them are lighting. Can be a few reasons, or they are not all in serial, or there is some parallel stuff here, not all in serial. Let's look at the PCB. You can look at the PCB. If you will look carefully, you will see all the connection, and they are all in serial. So actually I don't see any reason why it will not light, you know. Here, you see, so here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 LEDs that are working. Okay, so the minus on this side, can mark it because all of them are going the same way, and the plus is on this side. And if we are going to the other side, it might be flipped. So maybe, yeah, on this side it's the opposite. Okay, so my point is this: if you find few LEDs that are working, you can mark them. So again, I'm, you know, checking myself, but okay, so this is working till this, so all these are working. Let's see on the other side if I have them also work here. No. On the other side, these LEDs are maybe not touching well again with the contacts. So here we have an issue. 2 LEDs out of the 4 are not function. You see? So just this is good, and this is good, and this is bad, and this is bad. So my point is that when you find a few LEDs that are working correctly, you can cut this PCB metal. You can very gently solder wires. Okay, so we have, again, I'm searching for 4 LEDs on both sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I will show you what I mean. And maybe here we have also 4 that are functional. Yeah. Okay, so this, so I can cut here and cut here, and then I have a PCB that I can use for other projects. Let me show you what I mean. I'll try to find a good cutting, something that can cut it. You know, this is metal, so I need to use something like a metal cutter. Special scissors that can cut this material, which I don't find. I'm sure I had such a thing. Regular scissor will not work here. You can also, of course, use a Dremel or something that will be able to cut it. Let me search again. Okay, so I found something. I found this, yeah. And now I can just cut it. Yeah, and cut this. Yeah, now we have 8 working LEDs. Let's check that we did not do any short to the PCB and they are still working. I don't think there will be any issue. Yeah, this side is working, this side is working, and we have 12 volts divided by 4, so each LED is 3 volt. Okay, so each LED is 3 volt currently, and you can use it as, you know, solder 2 wires here, 2 wires here, or connect this to this, and you will have you will have 12 volt or 24 volt LEDs that you can use. Maybe I will show you the next step, because the next step is not very easy, because you can very quickly ruin the LED. You need to be very gentle to do it, but there is a way to do it, and I will show you how. Instead of touching the LED itself, you can grind near it with a grinder or with a regular screwdriver or whatever. Yeah, so one, you will see the PCB if you will do a zoom. Probably will very, yeah, I have a special grinder that I haven't been using for a very long time for PCB. Yeah, this one it still works. Was not in charge for a very long time. Yeah. Okay, this way you will not be touching the LED itself, so you will not ruin it. Okay, so something like this. Maybe I did it too much. I think I ruined the contact on this material, but anyway, then you take your soldering iron, which you probably have if you are watching my videos. And now we will look under magnifier. Yeah, I did ruin this part because this side is okay. You can do it very gently. And then you can put 2 wires, very thin wires that you can use. I have something on my bench here. I always have something on my bench. But this might be using to other things. Yeah, just a second. We'll try to find something. Okay, I found some wires that I can use. So one goes here. One go here. Yeah. So probably you get my point, and now we have two wires. I don't remember the polarity, so we'll do a try and error. This is diode. If you do the other way, it will not light. Okay, so you have now a flashlight or whatever you want to use in a project, and you can use it. So that was what I want to show you. So if you have a non-working LED or something, you can use this method, and yeah, you will have a lot of LED, because one lamp has maybe a few hundreds of LEDs. So that's all. Thank you and bye.